welcome to the channel. My name's Chase Castle and I'll be your host. Today we have for you the Tamiya 1/350th scale Tirpitz. Now, out of the box she comes with some pretty great detail, but I wanted to challenge myself and I ordered the Veryfire Technologies detail set. Now, as you can see, it looks like it's probably 50% finished, but I'll tell you, it's more like 25% finished. I play World of Warships myself. I'm in a clan in the game, and I posted a few pictures to my fellow teammates, and they figured I should do a build-up series on how I got to this point, which is almost impossible for me to do because I have no footage of me getting to this point, but there is still tons of photo etch left to put onto this model, and I figure that I might as well do a build along series if enough people are interested in it, that we'll get her done. So as you see here, and the intro pics is where I am so far, so I'm gonna put this aside for now and I'll bring you into focus the detail set from Veryfire Technologies. It is specific to the Tamiya kit number 78015, and let's flip the lid and see what we got. So in the box it comes with 12 sheets of brass photo etch, and it's a good thickness. I have had some parts, if you over break them, they kind of snap on you, but as you can see here, I have tons and tons of photo etch left to put on. Like I said, there's 12 sheets and I still have, 80 to 90% of those 12 sheets still to do. And the railing is spectacular. I've put railing on already, as you've seen in the photos. I've also ordered from Infinity Models their watertight door set. Sorry for the reflection. This way I can hyper detail even more parts of the ship. I've also got in here some of the life buoys. They're in 1/350th scale from Edward. So in the kit you're gonna get brass barrels for every gun. That includes the anti-aircraft guns all the way up to the main big guns on the ship. They also give you some styrene planes that are actually better detailed and photo etched to go on them. They include all the blast bags for the main guns and the smaller guns, searchlights, gun mounts, all the tie-offs. This sheet here is for the resin lifeboats that they supply, and I'll show you those right away. In the kit comes some anchor chain, but I decided to go ahead and order myself a set of anchors that come with chains. So they're brass anchors that as you can see, they're pretty detailed. I also ordered some standoffs for the ship. Now, I've got these smaller ones. They look alright, but I decided to go ahead and buy some bigger ones. So that way I have a mount at the front and the back instead of having 4 at the front, or 2 at the front and 2 in the back. Also comes with life rafts. Like I said, searchlights that are really detailed as well. So we can put that away, and I'll show you the life rafts where they sit at this time. The life rafts, I keep them conveniently tucked away in a jar. probably easier for me to pull out one with a set of tweezers, that way I don't wreck them. The parts are so fragile that you really have to be careful when you're handling them. But on this Life Raft itself, there's a good 12 to 14 pieces of photo etch. And as you can see on the model, nothing's painted yet. I like to do things in assemblies first and then paint them. Because if you handle painted photo etch and you need to bend it or glue it, it doesn't glue as well as having it not painted beforehand. If at all possible, you want to try to avoid that. So if you think this is something you'd like to see, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Really appreciate it if you guys could share it on your social media via Instagram or Facebook. And let's see if I can get the subs up. And doing so, if I find that we've got enough viewers to actually do a build-up video on this, I would like to do that. I'll show tips, tricks, airbrushing, obviously how to apply photo etch, the decking, how to cut down styrene, how to make your own styrene parts, and then there's other parts of the mast that will need rigging, and so on and so forth. So like I say, if there's enough interest generated, I'll do a build-up video. Anyway, thank you guys very much for your time, and we'll see you on the next one.